New COVID vaccines are on their way, specifically targeting the variants most likely to hit this fall. The FDA officially approved the shots yesterday. Joining us now to discuss what this means is Dr. Jyotu Sandhu from Sharp Healthcare. Good morning, Dr. Sandhu. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So we've seen over the summer numbers rise. There was a bit of what was called a summer surge. How important does that make a COVID vaccine for this fall?
Well, it makes it very important because we're seeing the highest summer rise that we've seen to date. And we're seeing the rates rise faster and sooner. So it makes it really critical for people, especially those who are high risk, to get vaccinated and make sure that they're up to date.
We're seeing the numbers. Are cases as severe? Are we seeing the hospitalizations? We're certainly not hearing about deaths like we heard in 2020 or 2021.
Yeah, the deaths, at least locally in San Diego, are 44 so far this year, but the hospitalizations have also increased in recent months, and the positive testing rates have also increased to just below 20%.
So these new vaccines target the new variants. What do we know about these variants? I've heard, KP2, KP3.1.1. It's a lot of numbers and letters thrown at people. What can you tell us about what the variants actually look like?
Yeah, so right now we're seeing a surge in the KP3.1.1 and the KP3. The new vaccines, though, will target the KP2 strain, which has been pretty prevalent over the past 6 to 12 months. We don't know how efficacious it'll be with these newer strains, which account for a little bit of over 50%, but we do know that the new vaccines should minimize and mitigate the severity of the disease moving forward.
You mentioned that people who are immunocompromised or high risk should be the ones that definitely get the vaccine. When should everybody else start thinking about getting that vaccine? Is it now, or do we wait until later in the fall so that immunity is at its highest in the winter? What's the kind of math on timing it out?
So first of all, if you've had COVID recently, then you're effectively safe for the next 3 months. So there is a little silver lining to having an infection in that you build a natural response. That being said, people who have not had a vaccine in 6 months should be vaccinated because of the prevalence of the disease that's coming on so quickly. And we know that every year, winter season is usually worse than the summer. So if you're above the age of 65, if you have immunocompromised immune systems, certainly get vaccinated. But for everybody else, it's always good to make sure that you're up to date because we're just seeing a rise so quickly.
Really quickly, because we're short on time, only about 20% of Americans got the vaccine last year. What do you say to people who didn't, that convince them they should this year?
Well, just look at the numbers. We're seeing a higher hospitalization rate. We're seeing a higher test positive, and we're just seeing a lot more COVID come in through the clinics and urgent cares. So, if you don't want to burden the medical system and have it overstretched like it was in years past, it's best to get protected for yourself and your family.
All right, Dr. Jyotu Sandhu from Sharp Healthcare, thank you so much for joining us.